What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This next video is pretty much just a little quick edit. We did a demolition at one job in Richmond, so I stuck around and videotaped some of it. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I think I'm getting a little better at my editing skills. I don't know. Whatever. I don't really care. I mean, I'm still having fun doing it. And we actually just started working on truck stuff, so that's gonna be the next video. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below if you guys want to see some more construction content or anything like that. But with that being said, I will catch you guys on the next one, and we are out.